What's up, everyone? It's your friend Ricky J. Alvarez here, Ricky the Realtor of Boulevard Real Estate and Alvarez and Associates. It's a pleasure and honor to have you back. Thank you guys all once again for joining us on Raw and Uncut Real Estate. This is now episode number 61. So welcome back, everybody. We're going to dive right into it. We're going to make this short and sweet because we're going to reference an article here that's going to explain everything we're talking about, because a lot of people's misconception is that the Fed funds rate, when they raise their rate, it reflects the mortgage rate, which is completely false, guys. That's false. So today's episode is going to be about what the hell is going on with the Fed and why do they keep raising the rate. So for a consecutive time now, 2 times in a row, the Fed has raised their federal interest rate 0.75%. This is the second time in a row they've done this, and it's to combat and fight against inflation, right? So this is not directly related to mortgage rates, which are long-term rates that are more so mimicking the bond market in the long term. So they're not so much directly related to the Fed rate, so they're completely different, guys. So that's the biggest misconception. That's something I'm always getting asked about, like, hey, what the heck's going on? The Fed raised the rate again. Interest rates are going to go higher. Like, not necessarily for mortgage interest rates. Mortgage interest rates have gone up in anticipation for this already. So things can change all the time. I don't have a crystal ball, guys, unfortunately, but I am going to reference an article that explains everything in its entirety so you guys have more information, because I'm just the messenger here. I don't have all the information, but some of our amazing lender partners have created some amazing content, some great information for you all to review. But ultimately, I will tell you that when someone says, hey, the rate went up or the Fed increased the rate, don't be so afraid that that's going to reflect mortgage interest rates if you're looking to buy it or your home, or you're looking to upsize, downsize, whatever you're looking to do in the real estate market, whatever your endeavors are. We're here to assist you in any capacity. But I will say that don't fall for that misconception. Don't believe the news. The Fed rate is completely opposite of the mortgage interest rate. Mortgage interest rates, again, they're long-term rates that follow the bond market. So that's something that your lender can explain to you a little bit further, but totally opposite, not directly related to when the Fed increases their short-term rate, their rates. It's all that's more so for credit cards, for car loans, stuff of that nature. It has nothing to do with mortgage interest rates, guys. So I am going to be posting a link to an article here so you guys can see below. But if you guys have any questions, you guys have any doubts, any concerns about this market, and if it's the right time to buy, I always say the right time to buy is when you're ready. We can always review your options, see what's available to you. If it makes sense, it makes sense, and we're here to guide you on that process. But you should never rush into anything. You should never jump the gun. You should never feel overwhelmed. You should never feel pressured. Ultimately, we want to be able to guide you and so that you have confidence when you're going out and buying your home. You have confidence when you're ready to sell, and that also you have a plan set up, a strategic plan to get you the most for your home, or also to get you the best possible deal on your purchase. So for us, it's all about game planning, all about making sure that we're meeting and exceeding your goals, but at the same time, we're able to chat about what you're looking to achieve, and then giving you a strategic plan on how we're able to get you there, and working with you throughout the entire process on making sure that we achieve those results. So if you guys have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out. It was a pleasure, you guys. And also, if you guys have any questions about anything, whether you're looking at our market or not, it'd be our pleasure to assist you in any capacity. So reach out to us. We have some amazing lender partners, some amazing real estate referral partners, realtor referral partners, I should say, throughout the entire country. So don't hesitate to reach out. It'd be a pleasure to help you guys. Thanks so much. Take care. Peace.